Hey there, Corey Thomas with Thomas Hospitality Group. I just wanted to walk you through some of our recent projects that showcase a lot of what we do and that we're pretty proud of.